Okay, you guys, I'm here to show you how to ohm out a compressor, tell if it's a good working or failing, or if it has failed. Okay, we got on the back of our compressor plug, we got SCR, which stands for start, comment, and run. And you will add up the numbers. You go CS plus CR equals SR. Okay. And so we go right here for our C, which is coming, and SCS, we got 1 ohm, plus CR, we got 1.2, 1.1 ohms on CR. So we should have like 2.1 across the S and the R. And there we go, 2.12 ohms on the S and the R. And then we will short to ground from each terminal. Bam. No beat, that's good for terminal C. No beat, what's good for terminal S. No beat, which is good for terminal R. And you make sure you have the bare up here, bare compressor, because the paint on the compressor may stop you from getting a good read. But yeah, there you have it. We got a good compressor, and we're gonna go install it.